you guys? So I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a haul. Get right into it. I got a whole bunch of stuff. Y'all, I just came from the gym, so if you were thinking you're sweaty, it's true. I'm sorry, I had to go ahead and film this because if I don't, guess what's gonna happen? It's not gonna get filmed. Okay, so should we start with Amazon or should we start with Shein? Should we start with Amazon or should we start with Shein, audience? Shein. The first thing that I got from Shein is actually this curling iron. It's supposed to be a dupe of the T3, so I'm gonna check it out and we're gonna see if it's actually a dupe. I got these press-ons, y'all. I just know that I'm just not a acrylic girly anymore. I'm barely a press-on girl, y'all. Let me just let that be known. But these are so cute and I like the shape. That was what I was looking for, like the round, you know, like almond shape. I really am into that shape right now. What is this? I got this sports bra because it has like the hooks in the front and I just figured that would be so good. Hopefully it's not too small. I'll probably have to take out the padding, but that's okay with me. I don't like the padding anyway. Socks, y'all. I love like socks to make it like the scrunch look on like gym leggings, so I got these for the gym. I got some more press-ons. I don't like these as much as the other ones, but I think I'm just in this little era of like funky looking press-ons, so it has a whole bunch of different what do you call these, a bunch of different like styles, so I like that. Phone cases, specifically phone cases that have the card holder in the back. I got it in pink, this blackish color, love that, and clear. Let's see, and clear. You really can't go wrong with Shein unless this doesn't fit my phone. Then I'm gonna be pissed because that kind of stuff does happen. These, oh my god, I'm so excited for these because I'm about to get my sew-in. So these are those like big roller hooks. Let's see if they will hook. Those big rollers like for sleeping, the effortless heatless curls. Yes girl, I cannot wait to try these out. Apparently I was really in my nail bag because I got some more nails. These are cute. I'm really into the almond shape right now, so I don't know if I'm gonna like these on my fingers, but we'll see. They are cute though. I love the designs on them. Ooh, that's so cute. And then I got some toenail. Wait, can you see that? Some French toenails, y'all. I think these are like for emergencies because I really like getting my feet done. So this is just gonna be for emergencies when my feet look so crazy. I got these for my Stanley. Oh, it's so girly, so cute. Oh my god. So this little chain says R. And then this is like a little straw bow. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to put that on there. Girl, this was such a random haul. I don't know. I love this. It's an R ring. Let's see if it actually fits. Oh my god, is it gonna fit? Oh yeah, it's adjustable. Yay! Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I don't know if y'all can see me. And don't be checking out my hands. They're ashy. I went to go wash my hands after the gym. Yes, it's so cute. Oh my god, I didn't even realize I got this. See, this is what I'm talking about. I just be shopping. Sometimes I just be shopping for literally no reason. But I really like this. It's a little name chain. You guys will be surprised how many things you can get from Shein, like customized. This says my name. I don't know if I can see it. Let me see. Actually, can y'all see that? It says Reagan. That is so cute. And I got it in silver because right now I'm in, oh, and this is a long chain. I'm going to be so happy wearing this because it's not like a choker. I literally can't stand chokers right now. I used to like them a lot when I was younger, but right now I'm such a grown woman and I like things to be off my damn neck. I'm sorry. I know that people don't like Shein, but that's not me, okay? I'm helping the economy in different ways, not Shein and Amazon. I just can't. This is a watercolor, what is this? Face paint, y'all. My kid loves face paint for some reason, and he be digging all of my stuff. So I figured this is gonna be cool for us to use. And then also my little cousin is having a baby shower, and it's fairy themed, and she wants her eyes to pop. Look at these vibrant colors. I literally cannot wait to play in this. Y'all don't even understand. I don't really do my makeup anymore since I've had kids, but when I do, baby, yeah, she's tea, okay? But last thing from Shein. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so nervous. I have not been able to even look at these because I wanted to be surprised just with y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. Why did I get some bundles from Shein? Baby, and these is schlong. Okay, I got 24 inches. These are giving. Oh my god. Wait a damn minute. But what's the density on these? Because y'all know they love to play. It doesn't even matter because guess how many bundles I got? 6. Yeah, the girl's gonna be full. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so happy. No, I'm so happy. And they better give. They better give. Wait, hold on. Because these are not supposed to be silky. Alright, don't piss me off. Hold on, cut the cameras. My hands is about to start shaking. Girl, is the Yaki in the room with us? Is the Yaki in the freaking room? Maybe it is a little Yaki. Supposed to do. This does feel coarse. It doesn't feel silky. It just looks silky. I just really thought it was gonna be kinkier than this. But maybe that's like kinky straight. I'm sorry, Shein. I wasn't trying to get pissed off at y'all. I was just, you know, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. That's all. Am I crashing out? But literally, because I don't like silky hair anymore, you know? Like, I'm just a grown woman, and I just want to give grown woman. I don't want to give that I'm trying to force my hair texture. Do you know what I mean? If y'all don't understand that, you just aren't grown enough. No, I'm just kidding. I want to start using better things for myself and my children and my husband. So I got this pot and pan set, and it's ceramic. I'm so excited for it. And guess what else? The handle removes itself, so you can literally put the handle on each one of them. I'm so happy about that, and I'm so excited. Oh my god, I forgot to tell y'all that I got it in pink. Look at the top. Oh my god, I'm so happy. You guys, I'm such a dramatic person, and if y'all don't know that by now, then that means that you aren't subscribed. So do that right now. Go ahead and subscribe, okay? Click that subscribe button. Okay, but let's look at the pots. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is so freaking cute. Oh my god. I could literally cry right now. So cute. I should get one for my best friend. I know that he would love this. Look at this, y'all. Okay, I just dropped it. Let's see. Oh my god, you guys. This is so cute. You guys, no. How cute is this? Next, you guys, I got some Oxy Shred. If you don't know about Oxy Shred, I just literally don't even know what you're doing with your life. I don't care about the taste. I always get whatever flavor's on sale. That's what you should do, because it's very expensive. It's literally $60. I got this for $44 plus a 10% discount. Amazon, I'll never delete you. So focused on my protein right now. I'm really just so focused on my weight loss journey in general, and I hope that I can keep this momentum. And so because I want to keep the momentum, a lot of this stuff that you're gonna see next is like pertaining to my weight loss goals. I got a whole box because I love chips. Me and my husband, we both love chips. So we got a whole box of Quest protein chips. Yeah, there's 19 grams of protein. So needless to say, I will be having some nachos, okay? Why do they wrap the tape all around the damn box? Like, how am I supposed to get in here? So I got a barbell pad because literally every time I'm doing hip thrusts, my cooter hurts. And I got some, what do you call these? Some resistance bands. They're like ankle bands for when you do like kickbacks on the cable machine are wrist straps when you're using like barbells or Smith machine. Yes. And then there's a bag that you can put everything in, like a little gym baggie. I love that. Y'all, I got that for so cheap. So I was so happy about that because I was gonna get everything separately and there was like a combo pack. I was like, yeah, run it. I've really been on a super health kick. So to force myself to meal prep, I got these super cute glass containers like for my meal preps. I love when things look nice, you know? So I have these black Tupperware bowls and they're just not cutting it because they're just not cute enough. So I got these, so I will for sure be using them. They're so adorable and you can literally warm them up. I just love buying things. I think that's my issue, is I love shopping. I just asked my friend the other day, I was like, am I an over consumer? And she agreed that we both are over consumers, but you know, we move, you know what I mean? We help the economy in different ways. Shopping is not one of them. I can attest to that, and I can definitely admit when I'm wrong, you know? But thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please tell me what was your favorite thing. And if you plan on getting something, make sure you drop it in the comments. Bye!